The cold wind blows. I'm walking back to my past. I'm afraid what the future holds. And truth be told, I don't think I'm cut out for this. This is for the brave and the bold. Lord knows, even if I walk back to my past, I still have no place to go. And my past is as cold as the snow. And God promises a bright future, but I don't know. I know what I'm going to have to go through if I decide to go. I feel like I'm all by myself. I don't want to go through it alone. He said he would never leave me nor forsake me, but I can't help but to worry, wondering what would my first mistake be. The first mistake would not be going at all. Second would not be trusting him to catch me when I fall. And number 3, the same as number 1, not going at all. God has a plan for all of us. And don't be afraid to follow him because he's never failed before and he never will. God bless.
I gotta know that I'm not alone. I just gotta know. Does anybody feel my pain? I come and go. It's that part of